Today we talk about how can you disable push notifications on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next here. Just switching to open with you. Then it's going to show for you like this. You will find here post. Just click on it. So until you will find here allow next door notifications. Can you disable it here? Like you see color it's gone. That's mean allow next door notifications disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So here for general posts on your Nextdoor app.